It's one of those nights for a full everything shower. Hair, skin, body, literally everything. It's long, it's extra, but always worth it. Let's dive in, since I have makeup on. I start with a cleansing balm. Texture melts everything away in the stubborn makeup without stripping my skin. It feels smooth, light, and leaves my face fresh. Next, I move to a gentle gel-based face wash. It's soap-free, fragrance-free, and cleanses without dryness. My skin feels hydrated, soft, and clean after every wash. Before oiling my hair, I always use a wooden brush to detangle. This makes applying oil easier and ensures it reaches every section of the scalp. Massaging with my fingertips helps boost circulation and makes the oil sink in better. For the ends, I use a nourishing mask, which keeps them soft, shiny, and healthy. I like leaving it in for about an hour before washing. Before stepping into the shower, I dry brush my skin. It boosts circulation, supports lymphatic drainage, and leaves skin feeling smooth, even before cleansing. For hair wash, I always double shampoo whenever I've oiled my hair. The first wash removes buildup, while the second deeply cleanses, leaving my hair light, shiny, and refreshed. After that, I apply conditioner only on the lengths, to detangle and keep them soft. For my body, I use a gentle cleansing bar that keeps me fresh without drying out my skin. For my feet, I use a buffer to smooth out any roughness. I also exfoliate my body with a creamy scrub that smells amazing and leaves my skin baby soft. To shave, I use a foamy mousse that makes the razor glide effortlessly. After rinsing, I follow with an in-shower moisturizer that hydrates deeply and locks in softness. After showering, I wrap my hair in a microfiber towel. Once damp, I use a leave-in conditioner to protect, smooth, and control frizz. Sometimes I air dry, sometimes I blow dry, depending on my mood. Afterward, I apply a scalp serum for strength and a lightweight oil serum for shine. Fresh pajamas right after the shower are the best feeling, cozy, clean, and comforting. I also apply deodorant for all-day freshness, then a nourishing body lotion that leaves my skin soft and smooth. To finish, I spritz a fruity body mist that smells tropical and sweet. Moving to nighttime skincare, I begin with a clay mask that deeply cleanses, while keeping my skin hydrated and balanced. After washing it off, I use a calming toner. Since it's a retinol night, I follow the sandwich method moisturizer first, then retinol serum, and another layer of moisturizer to seal it all in. This helps smooth texture, fade marks, and keep my skin plump and refined by morning. Lastly, I apply a lip balm that keeps my lips soft and nourished overnight. And after an everything shower routine, I love treating myself to a chilled glass of coconut water. It's refreshing, hydrating, and feels like the perfect ending. Then I slip into bed, cozy and happy, ready to relax with my favorite show. Hope you enjoyed spending this pamper and reset day with me. Sending you love and hugs.